Alright guys, real quick, I want to do a video. The last video I uploaded was the video of VIVINT doorbell catching Shanann walking up. I'm going to first start with, this is a VIVINT doorbell. This is what it looks like close up and personal. Everyone can go back to all video footage of this doorbell. Also discovery files proving it is a VIVINT system. Now why I'm doing this video is that when I watched Shanann walk up, there's one big red flag that stood out to me, and that is they have a keyless entry. A keyless entry at their front door. It's gonna get dark. Okay. They have one of these. Now, the keyless entry, you press the buttons, it makes noise, and I will demonstrate that to show you what exactly I'm talking about. What I seen when Shanann walked up was, I know that they have windows on each side. Let me turn the light on here. On each side of their front door, correct? Where you are able to look in and be able to see. What I notice is that Shanann looks in and she sees something. If Shanann opened the door herself, this is what she would have heard. Or this is what we would have heard. Excuse me. We would have heard this. Okay? Let's do this one more time so that everyone can hear what I'm talking about. You hear that? I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with keyless entries. The beeping you'll hear when you unlock your door, plus that's with VIVINT. You'll hear front door. But the main thing that stood out is that she didn't use her keypad. She didn't use this because it didn't beep and it didn't go. So that's telling me that she was let in. It was telling me that somebody opened that door and let her in. So this is something everyone has to take in consideration and think about here. Again, the doorbell camera, clearly a VIVINT doorbell camera, keyless entry. Hope this video clarifies. Hope I brought to light something very important, and I hope this helps, guys, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to say.